how to add music to your YouTube videos. So we can actually add copyright-free music to our YouTube videos directly on the YouTube website. So if you haven't already, just click on Create in the top right-hand side and go and upload the video that you want to be adding this music to. Now, once you've uploaded your video, click on your profile icon in the top right-hand side and then just select YouTube Studio. Click on Content from the left navigation. Now just go and click on the pencil icon next to the video that you want to add this audio to, and that should bring up the video details. In the left-hand side, we can scroll down and click on Editor. You can then click on Get Started, and here you can see we have this audio track. Now what you can do is click on the plus icon next to audio, and then you can go and locate the song or the soundtrack that you want to add to this video. Click on the play icon to hear a preview of what this soundtrack sounds like. And once you've found the song that you want to use, you can just click on the plus icon to go and add it. And as you can see, that will now appear in our music timeline at the bottom down here. And what you can do is basically resize this to exactly where you want this to start playing in the video. You can also reposition this by dragging it either to the left or to the right. And you can obviously stretch it by just moving over this arrow to the right-hand side. Now, obviously, you need to make sure that if your video is 10 minutes long and the soundtrack is only 2 minutes 50, then obviously you won't be able to stretch the soundtrack further than 2 minutes 50. So what you would need to do in that case is you could go and add a second song, for example, and then you could have this song playing directly after the first song. Now, like I said, all of the music and the soundtracks here, you can add to your videos completely copyright free. And once you've made all of these changes, you can just go ahead and press save in the top right-hand side. And that's how you add music to your YouTube videos.